Let's begin with HTML5. In this lecture, we will understand what is HTML. To create the web pages, we require three major languages, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a tag-based language. That means the commands are written in the form of tags. HTML mainly used to create elements in the web page. That means using HTML, you are able to create different items in the web page, such as headings, paragraphs, tables, forms, etc. HTML is used to create the basic appearance of the web page. But the limitation of HTML is, it doesn't apply much styles, such as borders, margins, paddings, colors, transparency, shading, etc. We have to apply all the styles by using CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a property-based language. Features of HTML. HTML is a markup language. All the markup language syntax will be in the form of tags, whereas tag is a command mentioned in between less than and greater than. HTML is executed by all the popular browsers, including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, etc. HTML is not a case-sensitive language. That means you can write the code in uppercase or lowercase. History of HTML. HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. HTML 1.0 is released in 1991. HTML 2.0 in 1995. 3.0 in 1997. HTML 4.0 in December 1997. HTML5 was released in 2014. HTML 5.1 is released in 2016. And HTML 5.2 is in 2017. And it is in active development right now. What are the important tags of HTML that we are going to learn in this course? The definition tags are 7, that is HTML, head, body, etc. Table tags are 8, including table, tr, th, td, thead, tfoot, etc. General tags are 14, that is block quote, ABBR, code, etc. Semantic tags are 8, that is div, aside, header, footer, etc. List tags are 6, including DL, DD, DT, UL, OL, etc. Notice these tags are including HTML4 and HTML5. We are going to learn HTML4 and HTML5 together. So it includes all the tags that are used traditionally along with the newly introduced tags in HTML5. And moreover, in HTML5, some tags are removed. So we are not going to cover those tags. For example, marquee tag, BG sound tag, frame set, frame, etc. tags are removed in HTML5. So we are not going to cover them because we should not use those tags in real-time projects. And along with these tags, we have some other set of tags also. The resource tags are 2, that is link and script. The text formatting tags are 11, that is b, I, u, sub, soap, etc. Media tags are 13, that is img, audio, video, source, area, etc. You can see many tags that are newly introduced in HTML5. For example, audio, video, canvas, figure, fig caption, etc. are newly introduced tags in HTML5. And the form tags are 12, including HTML4 and HTML5 tags. that is form, input, text area, etc. And the link tags are two, that is A and iframe. Anyway, at the end of the course, I will provide the breakup of tags, specifying which tags are introduced in which version of HTML. This is the introduction to HTML, and we will start the practical implementation of web page by using HTML within 2 more lectures.